crumbs happen. Dust happens. Life moves forward, but unless we take a break to clean, the dust stays. We wanted people to experience the benefits of modern cleaning automation without the ridiculous price point. So we created MIRAVAC. MIRAVAC is the perfect balance of quality engineering and affordability to bring your home into the modern generation of daily cleaning techniques. We have created our device to include everything needed from a robot vacuum. MIRAVAC cleans on a controlled schedule that you set however you want. It fits under the small spaces, in between the tight areas, and captures the dust and crumbs that might have never been noticed. Using a variety of movement patterns, you can help set MIRAVAC to the best pattern for you and your home to ensure that the entire area is clean the way you want it to be. MIRAVAC hosts one of the most powerful motors on the market for reliable suction on tough areas and a consistent performance. After it's done with its cycle, MIRAVAC returns itself to its dock, where it can stay out of the way and charge for the next cleaning. The dust tray holds enough space for the entire room and is easily cleaned out. The system has easy-to-reach controls on the device, the dock, and its own remote control. You can control schedules, motor power, movement patterns, or even control it manually. We designed this to be the ultimate in home cleaning technology. You can use your MIRAVAC on all home floor surfaces to keep your home looking fresh every day. Sit back and enjoy a clean home while the technology does the work. We designed 2 models for the campaign release. While they are based on the same design, they each have unique features that make them special. It has taken a little while to get us here, but we are now proud to bring MIRAVAC to the world. Check out our crowdfunding campaign and see how you can get this piece of home tech at a great price with our exclusive campaign deals. Start keeping your home feeling fresh every day with the power of MIRAVAC. MIRAVAC, cleaning solutions for your peace of mind.